Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. While watching these videos, please keep something to write with and your classwork books nearby. This will make it easier for you to take notes, write down interesting thoughts, and therefore have a better lesson. And perhaps, most importantly, although classes have been indefinitely suspended, learning never stops. Let's rock. Okay, it's time for some comprehension questions. Question number 1. What do nocturnal animals do during the day? Please pay attention that even though I am asking you about nocturnal animals, I am asking what do they do during the daytime and not the nighttime. Option 1, they hunt. Option 2, they rest. Option 3, they swim. What do nocturnal animals do during the day? Okay, time's up. Nocturnal animals rest during the day. That is because they need to rest and sleep in the daytime, and then they will be active and awake at nighttime. Are you like this? Are you a nocturnal animal? Hope not. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. What do many people think about bats? Option 1, that they like bananas. Option 2, that they like to sleep. Option 3, that they are blind. What do many people think about bats? I forgot to say, but I think you should know. While doing any of these questions, if you need to pause the video, no problem. Pause and then continue when you're ready, okay? Right, time's up. What do many people think about bats? Well, if you remember in our reading passage, we said that many people think that bats are blind. And blind means that they are unable to see. However, it's not true. Their eyesight is almost as good as our eyesight. Okie dokes. Question number 3. Name 2 nocturnal animals. For this question, I will not provide any options. What you can do is you can check your notes, or you can rewatch parts of the videos, or use your memory, or you can even do some research and then find other answers. It's okay. Anyway, in our reading passage, we named the following nocturnal animals: badgers, foxes, owls, bats, and hedgehogs. Of course, there are many, many more nocturnal animals in the world. These are just some examples of the nocturnal animals that can be found in the UK. But hey, what about Hong Kong? I think it might be interesting, again, to check online and see what nocturnal animals can be found in Hong Kong. Okay, question number 4. Please draw a line to match up the boxes to complete the sentences. So first, let's read the left side going down from the top to the bottom, okay? In the UK, they also have special eyes. I hope you remember what special means. Foxes, bats, and owls can. Right, now the right side. To help them see well in the dark. A few nocturnal animals usually be heard at night. So I think it's fairly straightforward. You need to draw lines to match the boxes from the left to the corresponding or correct box on the right in order to complete the sentences. And again, if you need to, you can pause the video and then continue later. Welcome back. Let's see the answers. In the UK, there are a few nocturnal animals. They also have special eyes to help them see well in the dark. Foxes, bats, and owls can usually be heard at night. Did you get them all right? I hope you did, and if you didn't, it's okay. Sometimes when you get something wrong, you learn from the process, and I believe as long as you are learning, that's good. Okay, the last comprehension question of the day. Question 5. Complete this sentence. You can use the options below. First, here is the sentence. Owls have very large blah 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 compared to the size of their bodies. What word do you think can go into the blank? Noses, heads, or eyes? Owls have very large blah 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 compared to the size of their bodies. Okay, time's up. Owls have very large eyes compared to the size of their bodies. Hey, why do owls have large eyes? Do you remember? Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was useful, and I hope you learned something. Remember, we don't have face-to-face classes these days, but learning never stops. Take care and see you next time. Goodbye.